गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज के इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं फंक्शंस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग। अकाउंटिंग परफॉर्म्स द फॉलोइंग मेजर फंक्शन। फर्स्ट, मेंटेनिंग complete and systematic records. Main function of accounting is to maintain complete and systematic records of business transaction, post them to ledger and to prepare the financial statements, that is statement of profit and loss and the balance sheet. Second है communicating the financial results to various parties. Another main function of accounting is to communicate the information regarding net profit or loss, assets, liabilities, etc. to the interested parties. Third is protecting the assets of business. Another function of accounting is to maintain proper records of various assets such as cash in hand, bank balance, inventory, debtors, etc. It enables the management to keep proper control over them. Fourth is providing assistance to management. By providing timely information, accounting assists the management in the task of planning, controlling, and decision making. Fifth is trusteeship. In case of companies, the management is entrusted with the task of controlling the resources of the enterprise. The management is accepted to act as trustee of the company's fund, and the accounting assists them to control the resources properly. Sixth is compliance of legal needs. Under the provisions of various laws such as Companies Act, Income Tax Act, Goods and Service Tax, जिसको हम GST के नाम से भी जानते हैं, Act, etc. A business firm has to submit various statements such as annual accounts, income tax, and GST returns, etc. Accounting performs this function by supplying the information to the government agencies. Seventh is fixing responsibility. Another function of accounting is to determine the profitability of each department of an enterprise. It facilitates the fixing of responsibility of each departmental head.